And today I shall be reacting to a video made by Professor Stick, or just a multitude of videos to guess my face. I'm not. This is gonna be part of my vlogs. I just still count these things as vlogs, as I'm not actually showing the video in this corner or this corner, wherever they show. I shall do this seriously. All right, the first one I'm gonna go through is
I told myself I wouldn't come back to touch Flat Earth
this one.
for a while, but here I am with a request to tackle Flat Earth Festival. So I already did a video on it.
All credit goes to Mr. Professor Stick for the original audio. I do applaud his things. Mm, yes. Also credit to Vsauce. Mm. Credit to Vsauce and Professor Stick for the audio, but I'm not giving any credit to Flat Earth Asshole because it's a stupid one. Me, I was one of the people who thought that. That's true. Mm. Good to know. Mm. I'm pretty sure he hasn't. I'm sorry, I have useless in my head. Hmm. No writing in my journal today. I have a journal. Also, a fountain pen. It's not look nice. There's a converter in it right now that came with the pen. I also have ink cartridges. Hmm. Where? No, it's not. We're not holding information. That's because they wouldn't be able to show it. They wouldn't be able to show any of the polls because they had to show all the countries that the United Nations is supposed to represent. Also, bottled ink. Awesome. Firmament. Let's Google that, shall we? Firmament. All right. Oh, well, I already have it up here. Okay. Firmament, the heavens or the sky, especially when regarded as a tangible thing. So wait, if the flat Earth really did exist, if we were to walk to the edge, go to Antarctica, and try to walk off into space, we would just see the edge of the sky. I wonder what that would actually look like. That'd be kind of a funny thought. It would just maybe possibly look like this heavenly barrier or something. I don't know. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Of course. Hmm. Hmm. His face. Ooh. Hmm. I'm actually gonna do that. I have some aluminum foil in my kitchen. I'll go get a good amount of it. No, I'll be right back. Keep the cameras open. I thought the button. You know what? Before I do leave, the footage shall be paused, so that way you don't have to sort of wait for me to do stuff. Once this resumes, I shall be here sitting. Okay, so I have returned. Second on time, but here I have a sheet of aluminum foil. If the Earth was flat and collapsed under its own gravity, it would simply just do what I'm doing. Crunch up, it wouldn't inflate, like he says. In fact, it would look more like this. A mangled mess of rock and no water, because the water would have flown out in space if there was water. I mean, of course, we wouldn't have enough time to get water. The Earth would still be in its rock-like form. It wouldn't. If it were to be a formed mass that formed flat, it would eventually just collapse before even water was a thing. And here's what the result. All right, back to the video.
Flat collapse into a ball. Ball collapses and turns flat.
I'm pretty sure. Oof. You know the grass ice. Here's the flat Earth Experimentation log. Look, it's all fake, and it's not real because it's just scribbling. It makes no sense. Yes. Alright, that's enough of this craziness. I'm just looking at this drawer I pulled out here. This is a drawer. Bunch of Lego pieces. Not a bunch, but definitely a couple. Like magnetism. I have a lower drawer that holds all my books. Yes. Also binoculars and the Lego thing. Here's my favorite book, Soundbender. So I can help. Oh, jeez, it's 11:15. Wait, no, 16. Now it is. Okay. That's true. I have 200 pages, but I'm not going to write down anything about Flat Earth here. This is supposed to be a sort of journal of my personal experiences and scientific experiments, such as the plant experiments, like where you talk to a plant and you give it compliments and stuff like that, and see if that actually exists. Or the decomposition of a leaf. Like just let it decompose over time in a jar or just any sort of clear thing like a container and sort of observe how it decays. Just so I can get a little more of an understanding in that kind of field. I don't know if it's supposed to be a girl's one because I kind of find that. I don't know if that's supposed to be girly or not, what they put there. I went to Five Below earlier today and got one of these because I was looking for a journal or notepad or something. Oh, also I have a checklist over here on flashcards. Here we go. I have two things to check off on this list. One is get orange cream soda because I needed that. Because I haven't tasted it in a long time, and I just recently got it. Actually, yesterday. Get a notepad or journal or whatever, and check that off. Set everything on the to-do list. Everything besides school shopping. Others include get Z-Cool because I have sleep issues and melatonin. I would originally take 3 milligrams of melatonin, but that didn't help personal problems, I know, and other stuff. I mean, that's all done, besides the school shopping, which we are going to do later. But continuing on. This is meant to be like a diary, I guess, but not really. It's a journal, personal experiences. Here is a boat. Whee! It's not every day. Alright. Time to basically go on a rant on how Earth cannot be flat. One, we wouldn't have night. Yes, I do understand they believe in the spotlight sun thing, but that's not possible. Take lightning, for example. It will reach the ground it'll try to find the quickest way to the ground, so imagine that with light. It will try to reach every possible surface. And once it reaches that surface, it can either create shade or it will just reach the ground. It's basically use that logic in it. And because it would keep the same science as we do, they do not actually put any sort of science into why sunlight doesn't reach certain places, so that could be it. So yeah, back to this 12-minute video that I've extended 60 minutes only because of the long intro, but because points I've had to explain. So yeah. That is true. If we did have night. Oh, that was a fun and interesting video. Since this video's gone on way too long, I'm not gonna extend it. So yeah. And once again, I'm giving credit to Vsauce for the audio and the reaction of the video made by that flat earther, and credit to Professor Stick for the rest of the audio. That is his voice things, not I'm not giving credit to a flat earther because that's stupid. All right. Well, bye.